Hi there, this is Gabriela with another video. Okay, let's talk about one question someone left on the comments area. Okay, the question was simple: which diagram can we reuse to run a video? On this video, best tip to run videos in 2022, I took the step-by-step how to create a campaign for rank a video, the best tips. Now, that person asked me about reusing the diagram. Okay, let's talk about. In this video, you can go and check about the step to do the whole campaign. Right now, I'm just talking about the diagrams I use and how we can do it, okay? How we can work with it. When you create a new campaign, the first thing I do is create a new account using diagram 1312. Okay? This one. Why I use this one? Because it's a short one. It's not gonna take too long. It will take maybe 24 or 48 hours, depending on how many campaigns are you running at the same time. Okay, and then I reuse any the accounts with this diagram. This is really one of the best for video ranking. Now you can still use another ones like anyone with a web 2.0. Anyone with web 2.0 is going to be good for ranking. But this one is being tested for a lot of people, for big clients with several licenses, and they are having a really good results. Remember to go and check this one to double check about how to set up the campaign. Usually what I do is step 1, 2 campaigns with 1312, creating new account. You still can use this one to create new accounts. Just take it's gonna take a little longer, okay, to finish that campaign. This is one of the strategies you can use. Step 1, creating 2 campaigns with new accounts, creating new accounts. How do you do that? Go, right around here, you do right click in here, and then in the account area, you're gonna create new accounts. Which name I'm gonna use? Usually I do the main keyword for that video, the main keyword I want to rank for. That's something is gonna be explaining here, but just to let you know. And then I start cloning or creating, whatever you prefer, a campaign, but reusing those accounts. That means I'm gonna go here and start reusing. Please let me know if you have any question and on the comment area, and until the next video.